I woke up early this morning to feed my pigeons so that I can be on my way to make a documentary on the life of an Adivasi family who reside in the tea gardens. Now basically there are 6.5 million Adivasi who are living in the 799 tea gardens of Assam, and about 4 million of these Adivasis are residing in the quarters which are provided, built inside the tea gardens. The rest 2.5 million of Adivasis are living near the nearby villages surrounding these tea gardens. Today I am going to go and meet the home of Mr. Michael Hemrom and Mrs. Emlyn Hemrom, who are one of the workers working in this tea garden. I'm going on the entrance of the road which leads to their home, and this is the land which was provided by the tea company, wherein the laborers had to build their own homes. Basically it is made roughly of thatch and mud with a very low foundation, that during monsoon season the water often collects and reaches to their floor. The family itself has to repair the tins and the areas where it is leaking. During monsoon it rains quite heavily, so you can see that the family also has been given a small plot of agricultural land where they can plant their kitchen garden and do some kitchen gardening. In and around the house, some houses have flower plants decorated by the family, and we can see Mrs. Emlyn Hemrom is busy cleaning the rice which she is going to cook for her morning or lunch. ये चावल आप कहाँ से लेके आए?
बाजार से आएंगे।
और she tells बाजार से they bought from बाजार। इतना ज़्यादा गंदा है इसमें?
हाँ, जो उनका करवाई तबे इतनी खबाई हो तो क्या खबाई? इसी दाम के तो खाए नहीं पा रही।
Okay, she says.
इसी दाम कर खबाई हो अच्छा हुआ पुता कैसा पढ़ हुआ भाई?
So she says they can't afford to buy expensive quality rice because so they buy cheaper qualities of rice to maintain the house and then also to maintain the family for their children's education. The courtyard has a pump which is drawing water for the daily needs. I have been given red tea for this morning so that I can be fresh throughout the day. Let's meet Michael Hemrom, who is milking the cow for the morning tea. डेली निकालते हैं आप?
हाँ हाँ, डेली ऐसे चाय खाने के लिए
और चाय पीने के लिए। हाँ, असम का चाय बोलते हैं कि बिना दूध से अच्छा लगता है।
बिना दूध से अच्छा लगता है, किंतु ये गाय है ना इसलिए।
Let's meet another member of the family who is busy with her morning duty.
प्रेमिका हो रहा।
प्रेमिका हो रहा। आप क्या कर रहे हैं?
मैं पटिया कर रही हूँ।
इसको पटिया बोलते हैं। आप कहाँ काम करते हो?
मैं इस कॉलेज जाती हूँ।
और तू कॉलेज जाती है? Oh, I thought this girl was working also, you know, in the tea garden. But oh, तू ये तेरा घर है ना?
हाँ।
We'll leave the sister and now go and visit the brother who has his room, and his cousins have come to visit him while he is also studying for his future exams. This is his room, which is also made out of mud, and the floor is also made out of mud, and we will just observe what these brothers are doing here. ये कौन है? घर का कौन है मालिक?
मैं।
ओ, घर का मालिक है। ये सब कौन है? दो आए हुए बंदा?
दोस्त लोग है, ये भाई है।
क्या कर रहे हो अभी?
ये पढ़ाई कर रहा था।
ये लोग आके डिस्टर्ब कर दिया।
डिस्टर्ब कर दिया।
ये लोग भी पढ़ते हैं?
हाँ, पढ़ते हैं।
ये लोग भी कॉलेज में जाते हैं?
हाँ।
Meet Annie, the youngest daughter, who is busy washing clothes. तो घर का सब कपड़ा धोती है ना तेरा कपड़ा धो रही है केवल?
सबका भी धोती हूँ,
Oh, she washes the clothes for others also. तो तू स्कूल जाती है ना कॉलेज जाती है?
कॉलेज।
और कौन सा कॉलेज जाती हो?
बीएच।
अब बीएच कॉलेज में जा रही है। आई एम गोइंग टू द किचन। थोड़ा लाइट का कमी है लेकिन चल जाते हैं। ये किचन एक बल्ब जल रही है। माता जी ये क्या है? मीट पका रहे हो?
मुर्गा का मीट।
आपका परिवार में कितने लोग हैं?
परिवार में एक तो मेहमान खाने चला गया, अभी 3 बच्चे हैं, एक लड़की को शादी दे दिया, ड्यूटी में अपना अपना ड्यूटी में चला जाएंगे।
ये मीट पकाने में क्या क्या मसाला डाले आप? बहुत अच्छा देगा।
क्या मसाला डालेंगे सर, खाली जीरा खाती है हम लोग और लहसुन प्याज।
The time is 7:30 in the morning and I have to leave with her as she leaves the home for her morning work. She's going to the tea plantation where many of her friends and those who reside in this area, they are all coming out to go to the plantation. It was during the colonial Assam rule 1816 to 1890s. It was during this period many Adivasis came from Jharkhand and settled down in many of these 799 small and large tea estates, and nowadays we have around 2,500 tea gardens. Several languages are spoken in the Adivasi communities. Some of them are Sora, Odia, Sadri, Kurmali, Santali, Kura, Khariya, Kol, Gonda, Mudandri, and basically they all have the most common language, which is the Sadri. And as the morning dew has not yet dried up and the sky is overcast, it's going to rain any moment, I find that the garden is wet, the leaves are wet, and as I walk and search for her among the tea workers, I find I am getting soaked wet with the rain which has fallen overnight. I'm still looking for her, and at last I find her that she is here busy talking while as in her phone as well as plucking.
ये पत्ता भर जाएगा तो आप कहाँ जमा दीजिएगा?
पत्ता भरने से इसको रख देंगे सर, और काला कपड़ा में हम तोड़ेंगे।
वो जो काला कपड़ा उसके ऊपर में है उसको?
हाँ, इस शेर में है ना,
हाँ,
वहाँ तोड़ेंगे।
ओके।
भर जाएगा तो भारी लगती है ना।
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
ज़्यादा वजन होती है।
So it gets heavy, so they put it in that one. बाद में कोई ट्रैक्टर आएगा लेने के लिए?
9:30 बजे आएगा ट्रैक्टर, गर्म पानी लाएगा।
हाँ, गर्म पानी? चाय पानी भी लाता है? बिस्किट देते हैं कि नहीं?
बिस्किट नहीं देते हैं सर।
बिस्किट नहीं, नमक क्या देते हैं?
कहाँ मिलेगा बिस्किट, तो नहीं देगा। हम अपना से खरीद कर खाते हैं।
ओके, दे बाय।
कभी देर होती है ना खाने के लिए, इसलिए टिफिन भी ले आती है हम।
अच्छा।
दुकान से बिस्कुट खरीदते हैं।
अच्छा।
तब वजन करके चाय पानी से खाती है उसको।
ओके। ये चाय पत्ती के नीचे तो जंगल है।
जंगल तो है सर।
तो डर नहीं लगता है?
डर लगने से भी क्या करेंगे सर, पेट के तो हमको डरना ही पड़ेगा ना।
हमको तो डर लग रहा है, सांप निकल जाएगा तो।
सांप निकलने से भी हम क्या करेंगे, पेट के तो पलना ही है ना, भूख लगने से क्या करेंगे।
सदेना सफेद स्नेक जोंक हो जाता है ना? ओके।
हाँ सर, तो तेल लगाती है।
और तेल लगाने से जोंक नहीं पकड़ता है?
नहीं पकड़ते हैं।
हाँ बाबा, लीच, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लीच।
तेल सादा मिक्स करके लगाती है।
ओके। आप कितना बजे तक तोड़ते रहिएगा?
4:30 बजे तक।
4:30 बजे तक।
A tent is specially assigned for these young children, so that mothers can go and pluck tea leaves while the children are rested under these tents.
तो आपको एक एरिया दिया जाता है?
नहीं सर, एरिया तो नहीं लिया जाता है।
हाँ,
इसको तो पाही बोलती है ना, पाही पकड़ती है।
पाही बोलते हैं। पाही माने क्या होता है?
मेला।
मेला।
हाँ।
अच्छा, आपका पाही का मेला में अगर पत्ता कम रहने से आपका लॉस?
हाँ, लॉस होती है, हजरा नहीं पूगेगा।
अच्छा, हजरा माने क्या होती है?
24 किलो देने पड़ती है सर।
24 किलो
हाँ।
कंपलसरी?
हाँ।
नहीं देने से नहीं मिलेगा?
हाँ। कमती होता है रुपया।
ओके, 24 किलो। सवेरे का ना पूरा दिन का?
पूरा दिन में 24 किलो देती है। 24 किलो से ज़्यादा होती है तो उसको रुपया ज़्यादा मिलती है।
ओके, 24 kilo, 24 kilos they have to pluck in a day, and they have to give to the company, otherwise their salaries will be deducted, and if they pluck more they get more. So आप तो शायद जैसा आपका स्पीड है, कितना साल से बागान में काम कर रहे हैं?
20 साल।
20 साल।
हाँ सर।
सर सबस्टेंट ड्यूटी?
मैं तो सेंट जेवियर स्कूल का असिस्टेंट टीचर हूँ।
अच्छा, तेरा माँ बाप सब यहाँ काम करते हैं बागान में?
हाँ,
करते
डेफिनेटली।
थे?
हाँ, ना ऑल्सो अभी भी मेरा मम्मी तो पत्ती तोड़ती है, और पापा तो हेड सरदार था इस बागान का, लेकिन अभी
अच्छा।
तो एक्सपायर्ड हो गया। ओके।
हम बना रहे हैं एक आदिवासी औरत का ज़िंदगी में एक दिन उसका सफ़र में हम भाग ले रहे हैं। उसके साथ हम 4-5 बजे से आज हम उसका घर से अभी तक उसके साथ ही काम कर रहे हैं, उसको हम रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हैं।
ओके।
थ्रू दिस ब्लॉग आई वांट टू सैल्यूट देम, सैल्यूट द आदिवासी लेडीज।
हाँ, डेफिनेटली यू मस्ट यस, क्योंकि ये तो आदिवासी आदमी का ऊपर में डॉक्यूमेंट्री जो आप बना रहे हैं, आई पर्सनली वुड लाइक टू थैंक यू। दिस हैज़ बीन अ वेरी लेट, एक्चुअली ये सब तो बहुत पहले से करना चाहिए था, क्योंकि ये डॉक्यूमेंट्री जो आप बना रहे हैं ये तो पूरा इंडिया में इसको आप डिस्प्ले करेंगे और बहुत सारा लोग देखने वाले हैं, और आई सपोज दे विल लाइक द डॉक्यूमेंट्री दैट यू आर मेकिंग।
The time now is 11:30 and the tractor has come and the officers from the tea garden has come to weigh the tea leaves of what they have plucked in the morning. You can see the pluckers have brought their baskets with loaded of tea leaves which they are weighing in, while the man is writing the kilos of each one of them who have plucked it. Assam produces 50% of India's tea, and 1/6 of the tea produced in the world is from Assam. We find that in 2015 to 2016 there was an estimate of 652.9 million kgs of tea which is produced. Now this tea leaf that we see which is grown in Assam is of Camellia sinensis, which is basically now called in Assam as Assamica. The tea pluckers are standing in line to do so that they can weigh the tea which they have plucked, and thereafter unload it into the tractors which are waiting, and then they can go off for the lunch break. At 1 p.m. I went back to the home where she lived to see if she is still around. It had rained few days back. It had been raining quite heavily and the water level had really risen up, and he is going to show us the place till where the water actually collected, and he shows to us that was the level till where the water had collected in and around their homes. I head back to the tea plantation where she is plucking, and it's a huge plantation. This Patimabad Tea Estate covers a lot of big area, and among the 200-300 workers who are plucking, I have to search for her. While waiting to locate her where she was working, I met some of the pluckers who did not go for the lunch break.
क्यों नहीं जाते हो घर खाने के लिए?
दूर भी पड़ता है।
दूर भी पड़ता है। कितना किलोमीटर है?
तो हम लोग का गाँव पटना पुत्री झार है।
कुत्री झार, तो ये तो बहुत दूर हो गया, 3 किलोमीटर हो गया। 3 किलोमीटर आना जाना मुश्किल हो जाता है ना?
मुश्किल हो जाता है।
हाँ, वो भी। और खाना तो बना के लेके आए होगे?
हाँ, बना के आए।
the rains have just fallen, so right after the rains we have this bright sunshine, and this has really increased the humidity level of the surface where the tea pluckers are plucking right now, and it's hot. I'm telling you that.
आज पूरा दिन आप लोगों के साथ हम बिता रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं आप लोग का जिंदगी कैसा है। हमको भी थकान तो लग गया है, लेकिन क्या करेंगे,
थकान लग गया सर।
थकान गर्म ज़्यादा पड़ गया था।
हमारे जैसा धूप में रहने नहीं सकोगे आप लोग।
ना 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 ना, ये धूप में कहाँ, धूप पानी बीच में पानी भी आ जाता है।
पानी आने से प्लास्टिक पहनता है।
It's 3:30 in the afternoon. The temperature is still very high. The humidity also is very high. But as these tea pluckers, they are doing the last round of the plucking for the day, I have this opportunity to really thank these great workers who, in spite of the rain, heat, sunshine, whatever you can call it, throughout the day they experiences all the highs and lows, and with their bare hands spend so much time among these tea plants and pluck these leaves, and they go, this is their life. Through this activity of theirs, they bring our morning tea, they help the economy of Assam, and when you look at the larger picture, they also help into the economy of the country. Their sacrifice for their family, for themselves, is great. We don't recognize their contribution because many times we just call them tea tribes, but basically they are not tea tribes. They are Adivasis who have come from Jharkhand and helped develop the economy of the state and contributed in a lot of other sectors, areas where they have meant their presence felt. But we find that the company, the tea industry is facing so much of problems, and due to this lockdown, more serious problems the company is facing. There is price stagnation, there is increasing labor costs, plus production cost of tea making is going higher. Fair price discovery at the auction is not happening. On top of that, there are a lot of climate change problem which the tea industry of Assam is facing. People nowadays are going for organic tea, and this organic tea and the quality of tea produced in another neighboring countries across the subcontinent also has increased into the level, so that many people prefer to have better teas from these other countries. As an average auction price of Assam tea per kg out of is rupees 150 rupees per kg in Assam. When you look at the same all India price of this auction tea, it just comes to around 80 rupees. That is in 2014 figure. In 2018 figure, it says the auction rate of Assam tea was 156 rupees in Assam, but in all India it was 88 rupees. So the quality and the price and the effort that these people put on, the Adivasis ladies they put on into this making of this great tea of Assam, has not been really helped into their socio-economic life. While they wait for the 430 tractor to take back the load, I want to really pay a great homage and respect and tribute to these great ladies who throughout the year pluck these tea leaves and make our morning or the day a better one. So let's remember the many homes which these ladies represent, the tea tribes or the Adivasis represent in Assam, and remember them, their contribution for the economy of Assam and for their own social development. To all the Adivasis who are working in the tea garden, my big thank you to all of you for making Assam known for its tea. And to this great family of Mr. Hemrom, I like to say a big thank you to each one of you for making this documentary a beautiful one.